We are out here applying, well, actually doing mosquito surveys of properties and applying insecticide to kill adult mosquitoes. The surveys entail a property survey. We're going to go around and locate possible mosquito breeding sites and either empty out and pretty much their standing water where the mosquito can lay their eggs and the larvae can grow, and then we're going to empty those out if we can, or treat them with a soap solution, and then for the properties that we get consent from the owners, we're going to go ahead and apply an insecticide that will kill the adults when they land on it. We're actually treating properties where people are suspected of having dengue, where they reside, and adjacent properties. Try and get the adult mosquito population knocked down from those properties so that they don't have an opportunity to infect anybody else if they are infective. You know, we had an extremely wet fall, and because of that, a lot of moisture, a lot of standing water, and because of that, way more places for mosquitoes to breed, and because of that, yes, a whole lot more adult mosquitoes flying around. We're applying a proven insecticide, and the methods that we're employing are proven to be effective in knocking down adult mosquitoes. We intend to come back to the places that we treat to do additional surveys to take stock of the populations and see that they are indeed knocked down. You know, up to this point, we had, in the places that we had surveyed and treated before, we hadn't seen too many adult mosquitoes, but again, those were in I think lower elevation areas. Now that we're up at a higher elevation, we're in Honao now today, in much denser, greener foliage, we are seeing a lot more adult mosquitoes than we had up to this point. So I would say yes. I was kind of surprised at the amount of adult mosquitoes in this area. So we're hoping that the treatment is effective. You know, the message from Department of Health is, again, everybody needs to come together, protect, friends and family, spread the word. We want everybody to go out and survey their own properties and knock down these mosquito breeding sites, get rid of standing water, treat what standing water that you have. If you can't tip it over with a soap water solution. And then when you go out in your yard, protect yourself with insect repellent. And then if you're sick, then, get to your doctor and get diagnosed.